Most people in Germany are using digital wallets without really understanding what they are doing with their money. And the biggest mistake you need to avoid is thinking all digital wallets are the same. They are not. Some are just payment tools, some are full banking systems, and only a few actually help you save money, avoid fees, and manage spending smarter. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, digital wallets in Germany are not just about paying faster. They are becoming complete financial systems that control how you spend, save, and move money. And if you use them correctly, you can reduce fees, improve security, and sometimes even earn rewards without changing your lifestyle. In this video, you are going to learn the 10 best digital wallets in Germany for 2026. But more importantly, you will understand how each one actually works, when to use it, and how smart users combine them to get the most benefit. Now here is what most beginners don't realize. There is no single perfect wallet in Germany. The real advantage comes from using the right tool for the right situation. Let's start immediately because the first one is already used by millions of people across Germany every single day. Number 1 is Apple Pay. Apple Pay is one of the most widely used digital wallets in Germany. You can use it in supermarkets like Aldi, Lidl, Rewe, public transport systems in many cities, and almost every modern retail store. But here is where most people get confused. Apple Pay itself does not give cashback or rewards. It is just a secure payment method. The rewards depend on the card linked to it. For example, Jake in Berlin uses Apple Pay linked to his Deutsche Bank debit card. Every time he pays, the transaction is instant and secure, but any cashback or benefits come from his bank, not Apple Pay. Now, here is the problem. Many users think Apple Pay is a reward system. It is not. It is only the payment layer. But here is where it gets interesting. Apple Pay is one of the fastest and most secure ways to pay in Germany, especially for everyday contactless transactions. And in a minute I will show you a wallet that actually gives direct cashback without needing a traditional bank setup. Let's move to number 2, Google Wallet. Google Wallet is the main competitor to Apple Pay in Germany, especially for Android users. Just like Apple Pay, Google Wallet does not directly provide cashback. Instead, it stores your debit and credit cards and allows you to pay securely using your phone. For example, Sarah in Munich links her Commerzbank and Sparkasse cards to Google Wallet. Every time she taps to pay, the transaction goes through her bank, and rewards depend on her card provider. But here is the catch. Google Wallet is only as powerful as the cards you connect. If your bank card has no rewards, you will not get any extra benefits. Now here is where it gets interesting. Google Wallet allows you to switch between multiple cards easily, which helps you optimize spending if you have different reward structures across cards. In a minute, I will show you a wallet in Germany that actually gives direct cashback or savings without depending heavily on credit cards. Let's move to number 3, PayPal. PayPal is extremely popular in Germany for online shopping, especially on platforms like eBay, Zalando, and international websites. The biggest advantage of PayPal is security. You do not need to share your card details with every online store. Now here is where it becomes important. PayPal itself does not usually give cashback in Germany, but it allows you to earn rewards through linked credit cards that already offer points or cashback. For example, John in Frankfurt shops online using PayPal linked to a reward credit card. Every purchase still earns him points from his bank. But here is the problem. PayPal is strongest online. It is not commonly used for in-store payments in Germany compared to Apple Pay or Google Wallet. Now here is where it gets interesting. PayPal is best used as your online shopping protection layer, not your daily payment wallet. Let's move to number 4, Revolut. Revolut has become very popular in Germany, especially among students, expats, and frequent travelers. Revolut is not just a wallet. It is a full digital banking system that allows you to hold multiple currencies, track spending in real time, and manage budgets easily. For example, Alex in Hamburg uses Revolut when traveling to other European countries. He avoids high conversion fees and tracks his spending instantly. Now here is where it gets interesting. Depending on your plan, Revolut can offer cashback features or partner rewards on selected transactions. But here's the catch. Many of the advanced features are locked behind paid subscription tiers. So Revolut is powerful, but not always free at the highest level. Let's move to number 5, N26. N26 is one of the most well-known digital banks in Germany, and is fully integrated into the European banking system. It offers a simple mobile banking experience with real-time notifications, budgeting tools, and fee-free basic accounts. For example, Emma in Berlin uses N26 as her main bank account, because she likes seeing every transaction instantly on her phone. But here's the problem. N26 is not a cashback-focused system. It is designed for simplicity and control, not rewards. Now here is where it gets interesting. N26 helps users understand spending patterns clearly, which indirectly helps them save money. Let's move to number 6, Wise. Wise, formerly TransferWise, is extremely popular in Germany for international transfers. It allows you to send money abroad with much lower fees compared to traditional banks. For example, Lisa in Munich sends money to family in India using Wise and saves significantly on transfer fees compared to her bank. But here's the catch. Wise is not a cashback wallet. It is a cost-saving transfer system. Now here is where it gets interesting. Wise does not help you earn money, but it helps you avoid losing money on hidden banking fees. Let's move to number 7, Apple Card alternatives through German credit cards. Now Apple Card is not available in Germany, but users replicate similar benefits using German reward credit cards like American Express Germany, DKB credit cards, or Barclaycard. When these are linked to Apple Pay or Google Wallet, users still earn points or cashback depending on the card. For example, Mike in Stuttgart uses an Amex card linked to Apple Pay and earns points on groceries and travel. But here is the problem. The wallet does not generate rewards. The credit card does. Now, here's where it gets interesting. In Germany, your wallet is only as powerful as your bank and card combination. Let's move to number 8, Klarna. Klarna is widely used in Germany for buy now, pay later services and online shopping. It allows users to split payments into installments or delay payments without immediate interest in many cases. For example, Sarah in Cologne buys electronics using Klarna and pays over time instead of upfront. But here is the catch. Klarna does not provide cashback. It is focused on payment flexibility. Now here is where it gets interesting. Klarna helps manage cash flow, not increase rewards. Let's move to number 9. Sparkasse mobile banking app. Sparkasse is one of the largest banking networks in Germany, and its mobile app is widely used. It allows users to manage accounts, transfer money, and make payments securely. But here is the reality. Sparkasse does not focus on cashback or rewards. It focuses on traditional banking stability. For example, Kevin in Berlin uses Sparkasse because it is reliable and widely accepted. Now here is where it gets interesting. Traditional banks in Germany prioritize security over rewards. Finally, number 10, Google Pay integrations with German banks. While Google Wallet is already mentioned, many German banks integrate directly with Google Pay for contactless payments. This allows users to connect their existing bank accounts and use them digitally without physical cards. For example, users at Commerzbank or Volksbank can tap their phone instead of using a card. But here is the catch. Rewards still depend entirely on the bank. Now here's where it gets interesting. Google Pay in Germany is a convenience layer, not a reward system. Now let's bring everything together, because this is where most people finally understand the real strategy. There's no single best digital wallet in Germany. Each one serves a different purpose. Apple Pay is best for fast in-store payments. Google Wallet is best for Android users and card management. PayPal is best for online shopping protection. Revolut is best for travel and multi-currency use. N26 is best for digital banking simplicity. Wise is best for international transfers. Credit cards provide the real cashback layer. Klarna is best for payment flexibility. Sparkasse is best for traditional banking stability. Google Pay integration is best for contactless convenience. But here is the biggest mistake people make. They try to use one wallet for everything. That is exactly why they miss savings opportunities and flexibility. Now here's the smart strategy in 2026. Use Apple Pay or Google Wallet for daily spending. Use PayPal for online shopping. Use Revolut or Wise for international transactions. Use N26 or Sparkasse for banking control. Use credit cards for cashback optimization. Use Klarna only when you need payment flexibility. This is how smart users in Germany build a full financial system instead of relying on one app. And here is the final insight most people never realize. Digital wallets are not just about payments. They are about controlling your financial flow, reducing fees, and increasing efficiency in everyday life. Every fee avoided and every optimized transaction adds up significantly over time. Now let's quickly summarize. Apple Pay and Google Wallet provide convenience and speed. PayPal provides online security. Revolut and Wise handle global money movement. N26 and Sparkasse handle banking. Credit cards provide cashback rewards. Klarna provides payment flexibility. If you combine them correctly, you are not just using apps anymore. You are building a complete financial system. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment your favorite wallet in Germany, and subscribe because the next video will show you how Europeans are stacking credit cards with digital wallets to maximize cashback legally, without changing their lifestyle.